Yo, yo, yo. Welcome here. Let's start coding tonight. Let's see what we can do. Basically, I'll start to modify this app. I've been doing it for the last 4 days and it shows like this. Hopefully, we'll get something cooking tonight. Let's start it. Okay. I don't see because I have V019, but it's showing like V01. I don't know why. Something is strange. I don't know what is happening with it. Maybe. Oh, okay. Let me share the screen again. Because it's not that app. It's another app. Maybe. I think I just shared the wrong one. It should be this one. Okay, V19. Let's see. I'll close this. Selected. And I do have one for the dev as well, so I will share also that one. But let's see what's going here. I think I need to delete this from doc, and yeah. Okay, so now basically the dev app, it's exactly the one on the public one, but I will work on the dev one. It's not gonna be this one, which we'll code on, but I also have it opened in the right side, so I'll share with you right now. This one is the dev one with this logo in the right, in the left. So yeah. Okay, I'll make it like this. Perfect. Okay, so let's see. I have some things that basically will need to be done. I'm not having a clear list, but for example, in this part I've made the editor. So we build the editor. I can basically edit as well. Okay, perfect. Don't save it. Don't save it. We'll break the app. I'm just kidding. But yeah, sometimes I'm having in MCP servers, they are just failing. It's not working as supposed to be. But now dragging it into the chat, it works. So that's nice. I had a lot of work doing that one. Okay. Let me also see if I can see you guys. Perfect. Yeah, the Prwn screen. This is the screen you need to see. It's exactly the one I'm sharing with you. So yep, let's see. Okay, I'm having the limit. It's reset. So let's start basically with asking Claude, what do I have? What do I have on the backlog? Space MD, because right now I don't remember so well. I don't remember so well. Let's left. Oh no. I really forgot right now. Everything good? You can see me right? You can see me good? Perfect. Hopefully you can see the screen as well. I will have multiple terminals open, so I can also maximize it for you if you want. Okay, so basically active, we are active now. We are having full Telegram priority. We're having answer from phone. So I also have it on Telegram. I can share with you basically from Telegram and type, write, and everything from Telegram. So this is working right now. Let me see. I think the camera is not staying so good. I don't know why. On the stream. I modified it now, so maybe you'll see it right now. Yeah, Max is sleeping. He went outside, but only just for a few minutes. Okay, guys. Yeah, I know. There is a delay. It is normal. I mean, it's not really in the real time, but it's normal. Yeah, I know. Sure. I'm trying to figure out where the YouTube studio is and how I can basically log into the stream. I mean, I'm the owner. Yeah, I think, yeah. Hello, Gabriela. Okay. I see I'm here. Perfect. Okay, so basically we're having the orchestra delegates a small text instead of answering in line. We'll test this because I haven't tested it before. Let's see if it's working. A 22 ranked table, event loop, structure, silence, build order. Yeah, I mean, we have the AI assistant, and basically we'll need to empower it with more powers. So maybe we are making it to basically loop into the terminals and see what's done and what's required from the chats without you being at the PC or giving instructions to over 5 or 10 terminals, you know. So he will need to look and give instructions further with your vision and everything. So maybe we can do this, or we are having the Prwn voice. Maybe we can do this as well, because I want to have my my super whisper replaced. Right now I don't know if it's working because I'm also streaming. Let me see if it's working. I need to make sure you are hearing me as well. Let's see. Okay, yeah, you can hear me. And now if I'm going to the super whisper, Let me see. Okay, but what about the orchestrator? Do you have something in mind on how to improve it with the tools and everything? Share with me quickly in bullets. Don't write too much because I don't want to read a lot. Okay. Let's see. Where is the music? The music. I want the music with me. Let me see why the music is stopping. It should lower itself, and I think like here you can see it's like this way, and it should be lowering, but it doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know why. Let me see. I need to relaunch Super Whisper because it's like updated. Maybe now it'll work. Okay, so the one thing that unlocks everything, close the feedback loop. Today the orchestrator dispatches and goes blind. It can see output or know if sessions succeeded. Okay. Then the dependency gates. Run merge after A and both B. Emit a small map in the daemon. Kids, okay. Then a tiny blackboard. QV, sorry, any session. Source port branch name, passing without the orchestrator, recording values into the prompts, high value. Okay, let's fix this one. Okay, let's launch autonomous agents, and please delegate as many terminals as you need for the following tasks. I will copy paste for you. Please do the prompts and open the terminals as well. Okay, so I will give this one. Let me copy again. And then we have the this one. I thought that the terminal spinning is working, but seems like he is saying it's not working. And this one here. And now let's see the magic. Let's see. It will need to open 3 terminals, I think, because and also create the prompts for each one and give the task further. Look, yeah, perfect. Fix the attached terminal pinning, but bug in the orchestrator. The issue is that the attached terminal pinning is currently enforced through proof that the model is trusted. I also built something and I want to test. I basically in this app I also created screens. So on the same project, on the same workspace, you'll have more screens. And I also need to fix this thing that it's basically happening with the terminals. I don't know why it's happening with it, but we need to fix it as well. I tried lately, but it didn't work. So I'll say please open in the screen the two autonomous agents, and please check why the terminals are grabbing the text and making them I don't know how to say, but they are basically in the left part, and they are leaving empty spaces in the right. When I'm resizing the windows or move from screen 1 to screen 2, and also let's check like if I'm saying to you to open one more in screen 1, if you can do it. Okay, let's see. You see, the text is like, I don't know why it's happening. It's because I'm switching between the terminals. And now if I'm doing like this, it's working, you see? I don't know what's happening with it. Okay, so it opened 2 in screen 3 right now. So it didn't respect it my in the screen B too. Okay, so what it says, I don't know, but they are basically in the left part. For opening one more in screen 1, yes, absolutely. Once ready, I can launch an additional yeah. Launch for this. Yes. Screen 1. Let's see. If it does correctly, it's good. If not, it's bad. Now, it opened basically in this one. Okay, so we'll also give this bug. But here is something needed from me. How should a closed session actually rewrite the blackboard? This is the main UX. Decision is the command and agent when running bash. The daemon binary doubles the. But what did it? This is a backlog in the item shash carefully ignored. This will mean the solve the part discovery operationally passing. The daemon already owns an OP target JSON protocol. Session already reached the daemon dependency free today. The Claude Code scripts to print resolving the socket. So the engine work is more than well precedented. I don't know what it's wanting to do. What do you want to do? What's the exactly? I didn't understood what's the bug exactly. Yeah, please. Is the music good enough? I mean, can you hear it well? Let me see the chat. Yo, chat. What are you doing? Where do I see the chat in your OBS? I don't know. Like, I want to see the chat, but it was an option before, but I don't see it. Oh yeah, I see it now. I think. Okay, custom YouTube. Okay, it needs to load me again. What the fuck? I don't know why. Max. So he's saying there is no bug. This is a feature build, not a fix. The text is regular item from your own. So session A can write port and session B reads it, instead of you harmonic values into the port prompt. I was about to ask you about what is a tiny key value store living in the right? No, I don't know. Please remove it. Please remove it because I don't think I need it. Just forget about it. Why the music is stopping when I'm basically mad? Should a gate engine leave? The thing that met the watches silence and fires the next station depending on it in the app or holds the gate table. Let me see what she saying to me. You cannot see anything, guys? Let me see why. But have you selected the 180 in the quality or not? I don't think you said the 180. Okay. Make sure you are setting the quality to the HD. I think that's the reason you guys are not seeing it well. Okay. How should the session emit its status sign on their gates on later? Okay. Okay, now let's fix the issue that the orchestrator is not knowing how to open a terminal in the already opened screens. So if I say to open screen 1, he will open a new screen instead of opening in screen 1 the tile. Okay. What is going with the terminal wrapping? What it's saying? State MD gives me the layout. The terminal view shows the feed login. Now I need to supporting terminal options. Okay. But why is happening? You see, it's like, look how the text is. Maybe I should also give him a photo. Why the text squishes on the screen move? Which is happening? And it's more than one physical module. No. Tile between Prwn screens, yeah. It happens on a single just in the video or multi between screens. Not only one crash. I think this is happening as well. Let me move it to the screen. Yeah. After the text squishes, does it ever fix or stay? It stays working until relaunch big time. Fixing instead after a tiny reset. Yeah, that's the behavior. So if you close the app while the gate is still waiting on its session, what should happen? Close the app while the gate is still persistent. Should await thing pending gate card, a small cord in the action card orchestrator waits on the backend push for fires and just yeah, we don't need a lot of things on the screen. So what we are building right now, guys, it's like this app you are seeing I'm using right now. I built this and I was inspired by the bridge mind, but I have chosen to do it in my way because I needed some functions that bridge mind doesn't have, and I'll build this with you guys until we are launching. So right now we are just touching the sea. I mean, we haven't built any front-end page, we haven't built a website, we haven't built the authentication, we haven't built anything else than just the app, the dev version of the app, which is also the one I'm looking into, and the AI assistant with the resources you can drag into the terminal and use that if you need, and the skills and also the conversations you had with the AI, so you don't type Claude resume every time, so you are just having them. And then the Telegram bridge, so every message it's finished on the gateway, on the app, and Claude finished, I will get a message about it with a small summary on Telegram. Or if Claude needs something from me and is asking me a question or a permission request, I'll get that on Telegram and I can send to the app directly. So this is a feature I really needed because I might be outside, or maybe I will not be on the app screen or something, and I will be notified by Telegram that something finished, you know. So yeah, let's see. We are having 4 terminal that needs attention. Let's see this one right now. So this is because of the fix attached terminal. Okay, fix deterministic files I changed. I have not committed. Fix the bug is the explicit push. Live Greek still all somebody is really Claude orchestrated by the operator, recorded as guy of I can run. Okay, but have you been rebuild the dev app and relaunched it and also installed it so I can look into it if everything was being done? Also give me the steps to test this. So let me see. Okay. Okay, the tree was clean as the start. We don't need this, guys. We don't need this. It's like building something we don't need. Let's focus. Okay, so the design record confirms that is the orchestrator implemented delegation. It's the client-side guard approach A because the client lacks the intent sign. So the guard will need keyword classification of the user message that is hard-coded banned. Enforcement added. The gap was discoverability. Okay. 2 things you need to decide. The parallel session is editing the shared main. Every decision is the okay. The design record confirms this is deliberate. Okay. 2 things you need to decide. The parallel session. I did not commit. No. Okay. Yeah, please do that, and also rebuild the app and install again, and also open for me so I can see the rebuild dev app. Okay. So guys, we basically will build this app from its state right now to starting to market it, start to build a marketing page, a free trial. We'll connect the authentication, we'll connect basically the plans, the Stripe, everything. So we'll do everything on live. You'll see everything, every payment that is made. I think it's a very useful app because it lets you build basically on multiple projects at once. So it empowers basically running autonomous agents, very easy and with a guard. So you'll have the AI assistant which will help you, and it's like an IDE, but it's for agents. So you are having all the Claude Code in here with your subscription, and everything it's on your PC. You can do everything you want. You can switch subscriptions or everything if you want, because your context is a lot. It's used a lot. So yeah, let's see the screen. Where should I show screen or get interpreted? This is other screen catalog to the system prompt. The model is the client resolves it. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. Active workspace. Which one of the screen should be the more seeing its expose just the chat's active workspace screens list plus names. Smallest prom screen and almost yeah, active workspace only, I think. But no, I think we'll need to do this. So in the chat here, you can tell to the AI to open a new screen, a new terminal in every project you need, in which screen you need. So yeah. It's really bad. I mean, the text it's really bad. I don't know what's happening there, but hopefully we'll get it solved. Version bump. The fixed changelog entry to 19.1. Embeds proof. Binary verified to embed to a fresh session. Important scope. The fix is pure client side logic. Already proven by the 4 new unit tests. The thing only you can confirm the live is the model's launch versus assigned choice. And now it gets that needs an orchestrator run. Let me see. Okay. So previously I had a bug. Basically, I was sending a message to the AI assistant and it will open a new terminal instead working to the attached terminal. So if I will click here, it will get basically the terminal. So let's see if it works, guys. Let me open the dev app and I'll switch to the dev app right now. Let me do some settings here. That's like oh, where is Max? Oh, now I'll move Max. I'll move the camera for Max so you'll see him. Okay. So here is the Here is the dev one. Okay, guys, let me move Max just a little. Okay, so we are having Max on camera again. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, so what I will try now, I will open a previous session. Let me open it like this. Oh, this is from another project, I think. Yeah, this one. Okay, so model. What? Why do you think, guys, the model resets to the 200k context always? I don't know why. So I will test right now. See what happens in this. Right in this terminal. You don't see because. Oh. Yeah. Right in this terminal and try to basically give further instructions and see what else we can done here, and maybe we can update more and optimize the docs as well. Let's see, it should write directly in here because previously it didn't work to do that. I'm also opening the stream here. Let's see. If it works, it works. If not, two things are pending on your go. Push me in, rebuild beyond that. Okay, decide for me, please. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. I don't see it. Where in the terminal it sent everything? I don't know. Maybe it sent it here or something like that. No. So it's lying to me, basically. He's lying. Why is lying to me? You see, guys? I'll push the main. I'll send a push. This gets back. Okay. Okay, but I don't see anything in the terminal. I mean, you haven't added the text and neither submitted. See why, and let's debug this so I can fix the app code. You're right to the action didn't deliver. Let me help you debug this. Do you see an error in the session activity listing? The session is so idle, which should be fine, but it's actually connected. Look at the app logs. Run something like tail. Okay. Once you see they're failing, whether is the logic the app has been rejected, you can pin down. What do you see when you check the terminal? I don't see anything. Using submitted anything. Okay, guys, let's see what this is doing. So, fixed attached terminal if step pauses. Oh, this is the one. You're right. I sent the Prwn action block, but the app didn't. Okay, let's copy this and let's see what's going on. It literally didn't write anything to the terminal attached, even if I give him this prompt. And I will copy the prompt I gave. Let's see what's happening. 2 notes so the dev app notes doesn't confuse you. Version you might read 0 and report is the canary. What you see in the parallel session in progress feature on my word, the build is a point in time snapshot of the working tree. What unfortunately changes the docs? Okay. Okay, good. So how do I test it? Tell me exactly step by step what to do to test it. Maybe give me some example prompts. No, guys, the app isn't for public yet. We are building it right now. So we will do here on stream everything from web page, from marketing content, from authentication and everything. You see, we haven't done anything yet. We are wanting to get it in a working state. Then we think about getting money from the people on the app, you know. But yeah, this is inspired by BridgeMind, okay? But I wanted to do it on my own because I had multiple things that I didn't found in the BridgeMind. So yeah, let's see. The squish is a wrong column code, not a wrapping bug. Your two answers are more decisive, both including single auditor. Okay. Your turn, let's confirm pressure. Run yourself, please. Please put everything into main and rebuild the dev app and also reinstall the app on my laptop and open it for me so I can see the latest version. Make sure you are not losing anything that has been done from another session agent because there are multiple running in the parallel. Okay. Trigger original must not act. This is the headline for no hardware intent detection type. How do I open it in your terminal? Trigger original question must not act. Let's see. Let's move the screen to the dev. Perfect, guys. Let's see. Let's go. Look, so basically, I don't know what he did, but it will tell you basically UI button, keyboard shortcut, and then ask me. Just tell me what you like to new terminal to do, and I'll launch it for you. So nice, so nice. So it also tells you what he can do for you. It's nice. Okay, let's switch to the app again. I requested none of this one must plus must. Okay, let's see this one. This is a nice one. Look at Max. Lol, he's so kind, man. Okay, so this should have the yeah. So previously the AI assistant will have it done for himself, so it will not open a new terminal. This was a big issue, because instead of opening a new terminal, he was basically doing the changes itself. But I also want to test something. Use the terminal attached. Let's see if it writes in here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, it's working, guys. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, let's switch back to the app so you can see as well. Let's see why the stream deck is not seeing my new scene first. Just a second, guys. I don't understand. Weird. I added a new scene in the stream, in the OBS, but Stream Deck is not seeing it. I don't know why it's not working, but no problem. Okay, so root cause message you sent. Didn't need one format. Okay, let me read it. Okay, this is working right now. You see, guys, if the terminal is working, you'll see a green thing, a green border, so you know that it's running. If it's yellow, it means that the terminal finished and it waits for input. Let's test again the AI assistant, and I'll tell him to decide for me the next steps, please. And after this, I will have the AI assistant to watch this terminal and answer for me. This is the most amazing thing, because Claude will talk with Claude and will decide for me, basically, and reading everything. But yeah, it seems like, but why this? Okay, so we have test D, test F, in terminals, weapon for session verification. Run the audit test, execute the test suite area shell. One interested percentage, run full sweep, spin up a focused. I think this is for me. The add AI to chat. On a specific area, open the area, run the test. Include launch or spawn a new terminal. In this dev build, the parallelization change course the unsigned into the sign onto the terminal, so the work. Okay, so basically this is working. Let's me. Okay, other system node, nothing lost, verified, not assumed. One cosmetic node. Dev rebuild swaps the only binary into the existing bundle, so finder get info still shows the old bundle. Yeah. So the app restarted. Let me see if it kept yeah. So what it did now, terminal text fills the pane again after a resize. So let's see, let's test it. Let's open multiple. Let's open this one, this one, this one, this one, and let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to this and then coming back. It still doesn't work. You see, it's not working. So this text should not look like this. But maybe this is the old or not. No. Yeah, so let's reiterate to the AI and say that it's not working. Write back to this agent and tell him that it's still not working. The text is still trimmed, and if I'm moving from a screen to another, still the text is not getting back to normal once I'm moving back, or if I'm looking into the terminal. So only if I resize it a little bit, it works. And this is very bad because it should work normally. And yeah, let's write back to this agent. So this is the power of the AI assistant in the Prwn app. It's like I'm giving to him and then it's right here into this terminal, you see, but it will basically write the prompt instead of me writing the prompt, you know. So this is really amazing. I will just give a sheet input and it will transform it into the text. And we also need to improve it a little bit more because it's not. Oh, Max moved again. I think, yeah. I don't have it on the cameras. So yeah, let's see. Maybe it will fix everything. Assistant action does actions that include a code run. When the system says a task was action contain a code block, the action now runs before a code block inside the instructions could be not correctly. So nothing is read into the terminal. Yeah. Just a second, guys. I need to do something right now, very urgently. Let me see. It will take no more than 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see what's there. So it opened the app for me? Yeah, okay. Let's see again. Let's test it again. I don't remember the chat. Okay, now updating the... Let's see. Let's try again, because it seems like Claude just fixed that. We need to... We need to see if it's working, because I don't want to deliver to you guys something is not working, you see? So let's test it. Let's test it together. Max is back again, guys. Let's see. Hehe. He's back. Okay, so it says... Wait. Why I don't see... I think you are seeing the old app. Let me fix it. Yeah, okay, now you are seeing it. So looking at the session, you've got the terminal rebuild the stable water. Should I go ahead and push plus rebuild to ship the fix ahead? One please. Right in. Let's see. Let's see what it says. Let's have patience with them. Maybe it's working. but it seems not. I think it shouldn't take that much. Enough. Let me copy this and send to the other app because it's not working. Okay guys, so we are building the Prwn app. We don't have anything yet done. We don't have the web page, we don't have the pricing, we don't have the accounts, we don't have a main server. We are just on local right now. We are just building it. I'm having 4 days working on it. Yeah, let's start another terminal and let's work together on the Prwn voice. So let's see because I need to add new features. Okay, I need to add a new features. It will be called Prwn voice. So let's see what we have in the state MD and in the files, and maybe we already have the plan done. I don't know. Just search the files and see what we talked about it until now, because I think we talked about it. So let's search the memories and what you have. Okay. Hopefully I'll fix the thing with the terminals, seeing this fucking text. It's so bad. And it really makes me crazy. So it seems like I cannot drag it. I cannot drag the terminal again. Okay, so let's see. Dependency, the orchestra can emit a gate, then waits for session to finish their turn, then fires the next action. Closes the loop, do X after AB actually works. Action schema, okay. Yes, it works great. Make sure you are working in work trees because there are other agents working on something else. So make sure at the end you are rebuilding, you are installing the app on my laptop, replacing the current one, and you open the app for me at the end. Let me see rather when I'm on it's a screen number that's out of range, but only 3 alphabet to the default. Yes, that looks great. Let's start planning it and do the implementation plan. And after that, you review the implementation plan with 3 sub-agents. Okay. Guys, what is this doing? It's working so late, so slow. Let's see. The foundation for the voice, it's already shipped as an working STT module. Is the single provided code site Sony with auto language detect. Key resolved from the Prwn Sony author. Okay, Telegram inbound voice notes injects into the target. Ledger commit security hardened design, but only as a sketch. Indoors, not a real spec. Decide its text, supabase, versal. Yeah, that's good. Then hosts the Sony authenticates the Prwn account. The swap is engineered to be cheap, only transcribe body. No specific, nothing under, okay, no in-app. So where this leaves us, there is no plan to pick up, maybe. But Prwn voice spans to quite different chunks and which you mean changes. In-app detection, the method backend. Yeah, we need it right now in app because we want to test it, see if it's working, and then we'll matter it basically. So we'll give it for you guys. You'll have your subscription to the app. Yeah. So in-app detection, hold to record in the chat composer, both full feature, terminals, full transcribe, drop the text into the input, client side builds directly on the shift place. Keep the end interim author only key for now. Yeah, but you should also keep in consideration that this Prwn voice should work also outside the app, maybe as a small widget over the screen. And if the user wants to use Prwn voice in the WhatsApp, it can use, but with the Prwn app opened, so running. Okay, so let's see, guys. Now Prwn rebuild dev, so you can retest the exact failed turn. I edit intersection per terminal when a hidden pane hides on a screen switch. Please reproduce so we can confirm. In the now open Prwn dev. Okay, so we opened again the app. Yeah. Let me see. I will switch to you again, so you can see it. Maybe let me. Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll try again. I don't remember if this was, but no problem. I'll basically start a new chat here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, worse. This time worse. You see, the last time it didn't work. So now it nailed it from the first one. But let's open the same one. I think this was the one. Terminal title not updating from Claude. Okay. Let's do with the same chat. Okay, so you'll see my input as well. And also I will, let's see. Guys, this app is built in the last 4 days, so we are not having it anywhere on the internet. Prwn, it's already in the incipient phase. It's not having any authentication, it's not having anything. I'll build it with you and we will launch it together. Okay, nothing is done on the authentication, neither website, so you'll not be able to see more info about it. We'll write it together and we'll build it together in the next few days, months, years, maybe. Who knows? Let's go. Okay, so unfortunately it didn't proceed with the terminal. Oh yeah, that's much better. But it seems like it didn't send the task. It waited for us to send it. What is this? But why you wrote? But why you wrote to the terminal and didn't send it? I mean, what's the scope of it? I see a text in the terminal which was not sent. This is written by you in the terminal? Let's see also what's happening here. So we have this, the voice feature. Transcribe already exists in this documented swap point. It takes a file and the module comment explicitly says models whisper flow. Record on hold, transcribe the clip. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So we will not be using whisper flow again. We will have everything built in the app, and this will be in the plans, with a method usage, of course. Yeah, we will not be using the local models or something. Local models are just getting you bad voice, bad input, and it's not fun when you're basically talking and then the text is garbled. Some of what we're working on, the floating widget looks where it sits on screen. It's recording. Might be easier to decide if I can show it to you in a web browser mockups and side-by-side layout. This feature is still new and can be token intensive. Want to try? Yeah, I want to see it in browser and see how it would look. Please use the design tokens from Prwn app. Okay. The first fix. Never engage on screen switching because nothing told the terminal to refit. This may become invisible and added. Okay, let's now test the problem with the terminals not showing good now, because it seems like that was a very bad thing. Yeah, I apologize looking at the, but wait, what? It seems like the app changed again, so I need to edit again. Okay. So you're right, apologies for the confusion. Gave you it is in the chat instead of looking back. I'm writing this terminal and trying to basically give further instructions and see we can do it. Maybe you're asking me to take action on that terminal, not just discuss it. Let me clearly push me. Yeah, he didn't answer what I told him. 3, please. Let's see if basically opens the terminal I give him and it has context. No, I think no, it didn't. Oh, I'm just confused. Yeah, correctly. I attached this terminal. Yeah, okay. So it works, guys. It works. Perfect. Okay, let's open 3 more terminals here. Okay, and see if I switched from screen 1, screen 2, it works now. Let's see. No. Still bad, guys. Yeah, no problem. Still bad. If I'm resizing it, you see, it starts to basically work. I don't know if this is from Claude This is from our terminals. I'm not kinda sure what's happening. Do you know, guys? Maybe somebody knows what's happening with these terminals. Is happening for you as well? Yeah, I mean, we have built a new terminal, but this was still also happening in the iTerm terminal, which is a very known terminal. So I don't know. Max is relaxed now. I think Max needs to eat in just a little. Yeah. No, it still doesn't work. The text is still trimmed, and it's just in the left part of the screen, written as three letters per line. Okay, but now it just written to the terminal without sending it, and that's really weird. I mean, I think you need to update and optimize the prompts, because I think he is really confused about what I'm asking for. Okay, so let's open the browser. This is another thing, guys, another thing that I have built in this app. We have the browser, so every link here, it's opened in the browser, and you can also maximize it, you see, inside the app. So we're still in the Prwn app, but yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So what shape should the widget be? I think the B is looking good. Yeah. But we don't have branding here, you see? It's like, I don't know how Whisperflow it is. Yeah, I think Whisperflow is much better. Okay, but we don't have any branding here. I like the B one and C one, but the C one I don't see how we can do it with branding. I mean, to look like Prune voice. How are we, guys? How are you doing? What are you building? I'm building this app you are seeing on the screen. We'll be adding the Prune voice. We'll be adding the Prune Vault. We already made the browser, and for example, you can choose any elements on the page and give it to the terminal directly. So if you are going here and then select, everything will go in the terminal, but we need to fix more things. Now we are trying to see why the text is not very good when we are basically changing from one screen to another. Okay, I forgot about this. The socket, so connection was closed. Please, for more request, retry, please. Okay, let's add it to the screen one and then delete this one. And now we can see the power of we can see the power. Oh, looks nice. But this one, let me. Yeah. Sincerely, it looks nice. The C one looks nice. I'll go with C. I'll go with C. And please make the default key the option command, please, because space it's really used a lot. Option is a command that is not used at all that much. I mean, no, let's put the right command, sorry. Okay, so it looks nice. Let me see what else we can review. Review backlogs, items in the state empty. Okay. I've stretched the real root case, the real root cause. Fits let me loud on the transitional with and lock there. How should I plan? Retry until stable. Investigate the exact tile first. Okay, let's see. Wow, it did the animations. Wow, guys, is this something new on Claude? Wow, guys, look. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, this is amazing. I mean, you did a really great job, and the animations, wow. It asks me basically if you can see it here. If the text gets into the other app, paste via clipboard, fast, reliable, but touches your clipboard. Yeah, this is paste via clipboard. 2, I think, yes, and 3, show the transcript in the field to copy manually. Yes, copy to the clipboard and also show the transcript in the field to copy manually as well. Okay, and 3, inside the Prwn on terminal, show the orb route through the existing page defeat submit PTI instead of OS level typing since Prwn already on those. No, I think we should not make another route for this. I mean, let's make only one way to insert text in text box. So it will be basically done through the clipboards of the user. Okay. Let's see. Guys, you are here? How are you guys? I'm feeling alone. Is still somebody with me here? Who am I talking with? How do I see the live count? The people live? I don't know. Really weird. Okay. The roads without sending happen even to the prompt already says the signs out run. How do you want to pin it down? Switch it to sonnet test. Let's optimize the prompts, guys, because it didn't work. What it says like CPL. What is CPL? Okay. But okay, but what about the CPL for mic capture? I don't understand that. And also, I don't understand about the settings toggle and the leaving toggle lock mode out of V1. I want everything to be implemented, planned, and reviewed. the settings toggle and leaving toggle lock mode out of view one. Toggle lock mode. Yo, Austin, nice meeting you. Welcome. It's my first stream. Yeah. We are building the Prwn app. It's similar to Bridge Space. I don't know if you know it, but I wanted to do it by myself because I wanted to include more options and things that I haven't seen into Bridge Space. For example, we are having multiple workspaces. We can also organize them in columns, and this is really nice. We are having multiple screens, for example, for the same workspace. The UIX is more friendly. The app is more secure. I think we are having the browser where basically you can go to the website and you can select basically any element and send to the chat, you see. And this is a project started 3 days ago, no, 4 days ago, and I haven't built anything other than this app here, which you are seeing. It has the workspaces, it has the design, the what's new, the logs, the AI assistant, which basically can control any of the terminals here you are seeing. So yeah, we are building it live because there is no web page for this app. There is no authentication, there is nothing. So we are starting nearly at zero. And yeah, we will start this together, this journey. We are not making any money. We are doing it because it literally made me to spend less time in front of the Claude screens and organize everything much better. So I'm working on multiple projects at the same time on multiple workspaces, and everything works flawlessly because of the AI assistant. Also, it's really easy to get the past conversations here, you see, or to get the skills you are having in the PC, dragging it to the terminal and inserting them into the terminal, or use a MCP, for example, instead of searching with our own and everything. So yeah. Now we are working to the voice. We'll have implemented the Prwn voice, so we'll not need to use anymore the Whisper Flow or Whisper and any other apps. You are having everything built in, and then I think we'll start working on the Prwn Vault, so you don't keep the M files on the local, but you are keeping the keys on the keychain of your MacBook. So this is a MacBook app, macOS app, sorry. Let me see, because, okay. It already built something new. Wow. Looking nice. Yeah, not looking bad at all, but on B, I'll put the text at the bottom under a hands-free. Yeah, it looks good, but I'll put the tab command to stop under the hands-free, so we make the pill a little bit smaller. How are you, Austin? What are you building? We need to feed the doggo. Max is really hungry right now, but he's sleeping. Ooh, mommy's coming to give something to eat. He's looking already. Okay, fix the terminal. What's different this time? Okay, let's see. Let's see if it lies to us again. If it lies to us again. Hopefully no. Because if so, I'll be so mad. I'll be so mad. So what is the issue is that the terminals, when we are switching from one tab to another, it's not showing at all the text very well. So the text is less wider, and it's written like 2 words per line, you know. So yeah, let me see, because I need to share again the Prwn there. Okay, so if I'm opening more terminals, let's see, resuming all of them. Okay, so now basically we'll need to switch to the screen one, and then back, and then the text is working right now. Well done, Claude. Guys, we just fixed that. I was a little bit afraid that we couldn't do that, because I was thinking this is a thing from Claude, that Claude is not letting us to update it, but it really works. I mean, now it works. I mean, with this solved, I think we can also push on the main app. Okay, so let's try to basically have it. Okay, well done. See what other agents have done, and don't lose any work that other agents have done, and please push this on the main app. I need the latest updates to the main app. Okay. Okay, please have 3 reviewers, sub agents, and see what they are doing to review this plan, and then let's write the plan. I think this is solved, so I will not look into it again. Well done. I'll take that with a pull anti-stable fix for it. Now review that water agent session. Okay. Okay, so what we will do now, we will push the dev app into the stable. So we'll see also in the main app we are here inside the latest updates. I can't wait to launch the app. I mean, we do have some fixes we need to make and finish the Prwn voice as well. And then I think I'll start to create the web page. I think we'll have to do the authentication. And then I think we'll be able to also start doing free trials, and you guys can test the app as well and come with ideas. That will be very nice for the app. So yeah, we will test it together, guys. Maybe we'll also have the Discord so we can talk more and also build together. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll launch 5 terminals right now through the AI system. Let's see how it does it. I think it will be a very huge RAM increase into that. Let's see. There aren't any things that mismatch. One terminal will be for the fulfill integration. Every first tested. Okay, let's see the magic. Let's see the magic right now. Live with you guys. Let's see. It will open 5 terminals right here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Let's see, guys. So nice, guys. So nice. Wow. Wow, guys. I don't. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so amazed about it. We are running on autopilot. We are 30% usage, and we are having 1 more hour. So let's dig in. So I will wait for it to finish, then verify the stable app. Okay, please verify. Guys, how are you? What are you building, guys? What are you building? Nice to see you here on the stream. We are building the Prwn app, okay? This app you are seeing here is made by me in the last 4 days. So I started it basically after an idea coming from the bridge mind and the bridge space. And I said I will make my own and also make it much better and more modern. And yeah, it seems like it goes on. We are also having the editor in here, so you see the changes as well, the AI made in the work tree. And we have more to come, more to come. I'll hide the Max camera because he's not in the room anymore. Here is a Prwn persist. It's basically if you are closing the app, I cannot close it because it's on stream, but it persists all the terminals. So if you want, basically you can let the terminals running without the app opened as well. Hello guys. We don't have the web page already. We'll need to build it. We need to build the marketing. We need to build the authentication. It's just on local on my PC. You cannot download the app. Nice, Austin. So you are still vibe coding, right? What kind of web app do you have? Okay, let's see. The stable build is compiling. It finished the daemon sidecar and the front end, and is now on the app binary Rust compile, including the Prwn agent. I can verify the how, so I verify the moment it completes. I'm auto notified. Stable build exit. Okay, it seems like the app crashed, and I mean it didn't crash, but it updated. Let me share you guys something. Let me share something with you. I think this is something crazy we've made. Yeah. You see, quit and keep selected. So you keep the terminals even if you close the app. And then let's see. Are you ready? Are you prepared, guys? I'm opening the app now. Wow, that animation is amazing, isn't it? Wow. Okay. Do you want one more time? Let me show it one more time. One more time, guys. Wait. Okay. Let me share one more time with you. Look, guys. What do you think? Nice. So the app tracks the family receipts. So basically the family is sharing with other ones the receipts and maybe the groceries and everything, or what it really does. Okay, I'll share again the app. Not this one, but this one. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's see Jolene what is doing. No, why is this text, guys? Okay, it works, it works. No worries. No worries, it works. I think. This is another app I'm working on. It's an e-commerce platform like Shopify, but for cash on delivery. I'll show you later the everything I made. Family cookbooks, basically. Nice. And how's going? What was the state of it? Did you start it to market it, or how it works? Okay, so basically we will have the AI assistant to wait, and then it waits for each to finish its turn, then watch and kick off the next steps himself. So nice. Good. What's the app called? So maybe we can look at it. Maybe somebody needs it. Oh, and also we have the MD file previewer. I think you are really not into reading the raw MD files, but here we made the previewer, so you can click directly in the terminal and it will open in the files like this, and you can look into it. Let's see. Let's use the Prwn browser. Okay, so the Austin, it's the app. It's Prwn Bikin and .com. Okay. Oh, let's see, because the app restarted again. I think the app. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, because it built the app again, and it just closed it. Okay. So let's go again to the website. Let's see what's happening, because it seems like it's crashing. Let's try again. Okay, so it's crashing right now. This is only happening on the public build. I don't know why. It's crashing because of the... Oh, yeah, now it's working. I think it was not crashing, but the agent rebuilt and rebuilt and rebuilt multiple times, so that's why. Okay, so let's see now again. Sorry. Let's see. Browser is not working again. What's happening? Seems like no. The browser is not working anymore, I think. Topcalls is working. But I don't know what's happening. We just found a bug. Oh, so your app is named Fork and Keen. Okay, Fork and Keen. Okay, that's why it didn't work. Nice. I like the style. It's really putting it into the mood of family, I think. Interesting. It looks like Notion in a little way, but it's nice and clean. I like it. Yeah, maybe I will fix this. This part here, I will make it like the other two ones. Nice. And how do you plan to market it? Okay, guys, what Claude is wanting from me, because I have a lot of things. Stable app updated and running, stable demon healthy, nor close, honest notes, the terminal squish fixing the stable same front end, confirm well done on the dev with identical. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, that's the boy. Yeah, so we are seeing the terminals right. We are very good now. Okay, perfect. So I'll close this. Let's focus, guys. Marketing and family received Facebook groups. Okay, good. That's smart. I mean, there are a lot of people, and especially the old people are in there, and people that are having much time to share the receipts. Have you implemented AI in the app? I haven't seen. I'm sorry if I. So, what's shipped by design? Demon, per session, monotonic, finish count bumped to the existing software. Gates, pure resolver, gate ready. Why is not the rebuild must run from the main checkout or merge code, but main currently holds another. To finish later, just say the words. When the agent has committed on main, ping me out. Okay. And then root terminal. Okay, please rebuild it on dev. Please merge into main and make sure you are keeping and preserving everything so you are not losing anything. Okay, let's do the Prwn voice. Guys, we will build the whisper flow for this app, so we'll not have to install another app. We'll have everything in this app, and it will be called Prwn voice. Okay, here is the plan. I think we can look at it as well. And file structure, window lifecycle, the voice state machine, the capture, transcribe, insert, glue, Tauri commands plus the Prwn voice state. Guys, are you reading this? Let's make it build. Okay, let's. I thought I had the Super Whisper Pro purchased already. I don't know why it says that I don't have it. Okay, we'll build our own, no problem. One please. Make sure you are working flawlessly until you reach the goal. Make sure you don't break any other agents, edits, and all of them not conflicting. So Super Whisper just said to me that I'm not having any subscription, but I remember that I built a subscription with them. And I had a subscription with them, but I don't know why they are saying that. It's really weird. I will try to log in and see what's happening. I'm already tired, guys. Okay, we'll wait until the session finishes. I think it finished, but yeah, it's saying the Claude not finished yet. I think it's finished. Please check now. Let's see what this is doing here. How far should I take the live testing? A read only probe now. Sandbox push via help sheet. Sandbox push. Static first. In the same sprint, okay. This is for the other app. It's not for the Prwn. This is a separate workspace here, you see. Okay, let's fix everything, guys. Tonight, we are fixing everything tonight. Okay, so we are starting now to build a Prwn voice, because right now I don't have any voice app anymore. Whisper just stopped my plan. I don't see any login on their website. I don't know why. Where I log in into their website? I don't find. Let me see. Really weird, guys. It doesn't let me to log in. Oh, I think I need to add the license or something like that. Let me see. Maybe I do have the license key. Yeah, I don't have it now. No problem. Let's see what Jolene is saying. What are exciting we are building on which surface live updates ordered list make admin live order plus detail fix the stale customer table as well. Orders, customers, drafts. So we are going in sprints, guys, tonight. So the voice, the Prwn voice, it will be made in sprints. It's something I built and constructed. Oh no, I think it's the Jolene, sorry. But this gave me an idea. So the Prwn voice. No. It runs in it runs in phases. It will be made literally by the superpowers. So we are using the superpower skills now. And it's working in this work tree right now. Hopefully it will work from the start. So, but I doubt about it, sincerely. I didn't even review the plan first. I usually review with 3 agents before starting the work. Okay, so we can close it. Yeah. Now this one, I don't know why it takes so long to do that.
Always play pretend with a helping hand. Pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up. This is not the end, and I drop again, but I'm not giving up, giving up, giving up. No. Used to fly higher and higher. These days I'm just going down, down.
Okay. So what I discovered is that when I'm navigating to the browser and opening a page that doesn't exist, for example, I don't know, xyz.ai. This one works, but that cff. You see, it's not going to that page, but it stays on the page that was before. So we need to identify what is the problem here. But in the meantime, I want to see how are you guys. give it a shot in the chat. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk. What are you building? I'm building the Prwn app. This is inspired by the Breed Space, okay, but with more features, and it's not launched yet. It's like in very incipient phase. It's just 4 days. It's just 4 days in. This is the first day I'm making a stream. So thank you for coming and thank you for being here. In just 5 minutes, I will shut down the stream, and I will see you tomorrow at the same hour. So we will also build together more, and maybe we'll also have the Prwn voice, which replaced the whisper voice, done by then.
Crystal skies, crowded places, lonely faces, howling wind in those eyes, desperation, hesitation for the wind, running from the darkness of the night. You'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark the break of dawn, we can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold.
Okay, it works great. I mean, we are 58% in, resets in 25 minutes. It's much better doing it with sub agents than doing it with workflows. The new workflow is consuming a lot of tokens. I don't know why, what is going on with the workflows, but I will not use anymore the workflows and ultra code. Okay, so basically the phase 1 for the Prwn voice is done. API is proven and documented for their use in the real hotkey. So the spike voice binary build, it just needs you to run it. It needs a guy session plus accessibility grant. What do you think, guys? Hey, Blessing. It's Prwn. It's basically made by me. I just started working at it in the last 4 days, so it's just 4 days in. I was inspired by BreedSpace. If you want to have a look at BreedSpace, it's literally an workspace organizer, basically, which have multiple tiles, sorry, with multiple terminals, but that's not only it. It also have the file editor, for example, MD previewer. You also have the browser inside. It's practically an IDE, but for agentic code. And yeah, you can launch multiple Claude sessions. For example, I can launch from here multiple three more. So it starts, and it also have persistence sessions, like here in the left side, you see. Or if you want to close the app, it will say like you want to preserve the sessions in the background. So if you close the app, you can also leave the terminals idle, and then when you are coming back to the PC, you are seeing the terminals open as well. Then it has an AI assistant, which basically can launch a terminal for you. Launch a terminal for me in a new screen. Uh, for the Prwn app, just write AI. And using the AI assistant, you can orchestrate um, all the terminals. Look, it opened a new screen in the same workspace, and you also have this workspace with their own terminals. And also you can ask, please review the three terminals on the screen one and tell me what's the status for each. Should I intervene somehow? So basically the AI assistant, it's your orchestrator for the terminals. It can open in each workspace and terminal. It can read the terminals. It can send messages to the terminals. For example, okay, so please say for terminal 2 that I confirmed the push. And he will text into the terminal 2 and confirm the push. I haven't tested 100 terminals, but I tested, for example, 12, and it works so great. I mean, it's not really. Look, it really confirmed. You've been confirmed to proceed with the pushing to main. Go ahead with the push. Yeah, so basically, you can run 12 in the same screen, but it depends really on your RAM, because the terminals and Claude Code runs in the RAM. I have seen a lot of people doing 30, 40 on a Mac Mini. I'm on a Mac Mini with 16 gigabytes RAM, so yeah, it works great for me. I mean, I have 4 of them in here, and then I have 5 of them in this project workspace here. Yeah. And also it notifies me on the Telegram. I cannot show you right now, but I have also Telegram bridge implemented. So whenever it needs something from me, it actually sends me a message to the Telegram. So I can approve, I can respond from there, I can spawn new terminals from the Telegram, and yeah, this is working flawlessly. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. What are you building, bro? I also created these parts with the resources. So basically, you are having the skills on the PC showing here. You can grab and drag on the terminals. So it's easier to specify a new skill. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's funny. But the Mac OS have this thing that the unified memory, which actually, for example, for me, I'm having over 19 gigabytes used of RAM, but I'm only having 16 on this Mac Mini. They're kind of crazy about it. Okay, so I have some questions here. Your other say what owns the checkout and isolated laboratory. Yeah, always. Okay. Yes, please. All of them. What are you building, Blessing? Okay, let's start the sprint. Let's see also the Prwn voice, which will replace the whisper flow. We are making our whisper flow, guys. This is the chat. Let's see. The crash sub-agent left no uncommitted changes, only the expected. Okay, so it crashed. Wow, that's nice. It will be an app, right? What are you using as stack? I just discovered that you can create macOS apps with React and with JavaScript. I mean, I haven't done anything before like this. I was afraid to start beginning and learning about the macOS and iOS apps. I don't know why, but I start to like it. Like, I really like it. This is just the build. I mean, look, there is Max on the camera. He just came. Yeah, this is the main build. This is the production. So I'm also having the dev app. It's nice that you can create two similar apps with different builds. And this is really hard on doing it on the web. For example, if you are having a web app, it's much easier on doing on macOS or on the Android, I think. You just install two apps and that's it.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Let's see. We are having the S1 compiled. It's going well. I haven't read about the Tory NS panel. This is completely new for me. Let's see what it is.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Okay, so this is basically a panel that I will show to the clients outside of the app. I think this is it. Oh, by the way, this is the browser inside the IDE. So yeah, this is how it looks. You can also from here, if you click, you can select every element on the page, and it will be copied or sent to the chat to the terminal. So if you want to change this button, if you click it, it will go to the terminal. Look in this way, and you can tell Claude to edit this button or this element on the page. This is something I haven't seen into the bridge space, but yeah, every app with its specific, you know.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure?
Let's see what Jolene is doing. Jolene is another app I'm building with my friend George. I will just tell the AI assistant to see the Jolene terminals and send a text message to those requiring my input. Tell them to continue, please. Okay, that's cool, but actually that require much time to build up, but some MVP are enough to start. Yeah, correctly. You see, I told him, see the Jolene terminals and send a text message to those requiring my input. Tell them to continue, please. And it got these terminals, which were asking for my input, and he said, okay, continue, please. That's the fucking way. I mean, without me staying to write and everything, it's so crazy. And more crazy will be when this browser here will be used by the terminals, and each one will have its tab, and with the help of the Prwn vault, we'll have the login and everything, and test locally every app it's building. Isn't it crazy? Or I'm not crazy enough? I can't wait to have the Prwn voice that will replace the whisper flow. Sincerely. Yeah, that's the idea. I mean, building it on the live, it also has recording, and you can look back after you've built the app after 5, 6, 1 year, for example, and you'll see like, oh my God, I just started this 6 months ago, and this is how it looked back then, and now look, yeah, it's crazy. And also, it's more easier to validate the idea and also build with the people. Maybe you are having another vision about it. Maybe I'm having another vision, but it's always important to see all the perspectives, and maybe the community is helping building it up. Right now, I haven't built anything. I don't have auth. I don't have a web page. I don't have the database. I'm just keeping it local for now, until I think it's ready to put some web page marketing and plans. Maybe let's see, but I think I'll use Supabase for because I already have experience with it, and it's literally the easiest way to build authentication and also the database in Postgres. So yeah, I think that's the path we'll go in. And we also need to do the versioning, because versioning, I think, will be made with GitHub, and the releases will be made with GitHub. I'm not necessarily sure about it, but that's what I think. I'll stay 5 minutes more, and then I will wrap here the live. I'll come back tomorrow, and we'll finish the Prwn voice. It's already late here. I'm having like 3 hours of live stream. See you also tomorrow, Blazing. Let's build together. It seems like it fixed the browser. We'll see it immediately in the. Thank you so much, bro. It helps me. I'll not disappoint you. Tomorrow we'll see there. I was having a bug in the dev with the browser, and now I think it fixed it. Hopefully it done it correctly. I'll share the dev and see if it works now. If it works, it's nice. I didn't read the plan and everything, but it was a pretty easy job to be done. I'm also not using Ultra Code and workflows. It's like consuming too many tokens, and it's burning all the plan and everything. I heard somebody, one please. I heard somebody that purchased 3 Claude Max. I have only 2 right now, but with the reset that they gave yesterday, I'm already at 42%, you see? But that's because in the morning they basically activated the workflows again for me. I don't know how. I put something in the Claude MD, so it doesn't work off workflows anymore at all. Hopefully it will be respected, and from what I see now in this evening, it didn't use the workflows. I'm really curious, what was the usage at the beginning of the stream 3 hours ago? I don't remember so well. Let's see. The builds are much lower right now than in the beginning, and I think they will be much and much slower from now on as we add features. Let's go. 2 minutes to rebuild the app. Okay, I'll have a look on it. So, Superset and Kilo AI. Yeah. So are you using those instead of Claude Code? Okay. I also heard about I forgot about it. Clerk, I think. Yeah, it was Clerk. Okay, I'll have a look into it. So Kilo AI. Oh, okay. It's an IDE. I know about it. I remember. But yeah, lately I haven't used any any IDEs because I don't even look anymore at the code. I just watched some videos from Claude, and some people from Claude, they were saying like that are devs. They are saying that they are not even reviewing the PRs anymore. So I don't know what to say. Let me share the screen with you. So let's see the latest thing that we built and fixed. Yeah, I don't write code anymore. I mean, it's like old for me. But I also added editing in the Prwn, so I can see the code and everything that made, and also the changes. It's all the work trees are now pushed. That's why we don't see the changes. But I can also edit from here, so I can code, and also I think it also has. I think it doesn't, but autocomplete it was supposed to work, but I will look into it after. Yes, sure. Tell me. No problem. I'm listening. Okay, so let's see if let's see if the browser is working now. So topcalls is working, but if I'm going to the xiz.ss, what it says, the site cannot be reached. Perfect. That's the last thing we tried, and it seems like it's working. Perfect. That's awesome. It nailed it. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much for this night. I'm continuing to build the Prwn voice. So it's right here on the left. It seems like it finished, but I will test it first and show it to you tomorrow. Okay? We'll replace finally the whisper voice, whisper flow, and we'll have our own whisper flow built directly into the Prwn app. Okay, so this is an app I started to build 4 days ago. It's just an MVP. It doesn't have auth. It doesn't have a database. It doesn't have the release path. And it doesn't have a lot of things yet, which I wanted, but it has the main ones. Okay, the AI assistant, the Prwn persist, which persists your terminals. It does have your workspaces, launch a lot of sessions. For example, here in this project, I opened 8 sessions, and if I'm asking AI assistant to write to each terminal thing to check about the second brain, don't miss any terminal, it will write there. Yeah, this is basically this is what I want to build with the AI assistant. So, for example, yes, those. For example, the AI assistant creates the prompt if I'm telling him something, and it gives to the terminals. It doesn't write exactly what I wrote. For example, you'll see right now, I think. Let's see if it works. You see, it's creating the prompt, and now it basically gives to it. But I'll stop them, not consuming any tokens. I don't know what is this text he wrote. But this is supposed to do. I don't know why it wrote this, sincerely. Yeah, I'll look into it. Okay, thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow for 3 more hours of coding. And